When I propose a deal to a client, looking at the current cost and other consideration, the client feels that there is no need of going for the upgrade which you're offering. Bottom line, correct? Now, if this is the scenario, you need to make sure that you show the client how your solution can be different. It's not about what are you selling. Whatever you are selling to a client, what's in it for me is every client question in their mind. Now you show them, it's called cost benefit analysis. You do a cost benefit. So this is how sales work. In sales, you do a cost benefit analysis. Now I can't do a cost benefit analysis to the product you sell for the client you have, because I don't know what exactly are the features you are selling, what are the advantages of that, and what's the benefit for the client. And I don't know the client's business, and I don't know what impact it will create on the client's business. But you know that, right? You know your features, you know your advantages, you know the impact. So create a cost benefit analysis, and in the cost benefit analysis, add a lot of bonuses. That I will solve this also, I will solve this also, I will give additional this also, I will give additional that also. Difficult times require challenging solutions. So push yourself to create an offer which is too difficult to refuse. And then you'll find the client is buying it. That's how it goes. All right. So prepare cost benefit analysis. If you spend this much, it'll help you to save this much. It'll help you to improve this much. How does that translate into hard cash for him? Either income or saving. Person will buy only because of two reasons. Any business will buy either if you save cost for them or you build revenue for them. So if it gives you convenience, then you give them a cost benefit analysis. How does that convenience translate into savings? How does that convenience translate into revenue? If you can show that, showcase in your deck, right? The guy's going to buy from you. So prepare that and present that. He's bound to buy. But you have to have an offer which is too good to refuse. That's where the whole game plan changes. And that's where you need to go.